talk to the lit. She can talk to the, yeah. Let talk, I just pulled up with some fools. I told mama tie all my shoes. Show 2 million cash, now she woos. Plenty of matches and no stitch shoes. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said, you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to say to this bitch, I look.
Hola, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you the lashes that I'm using, which is from Amazon. I will put the link down below. So what we are doing today is we are going to turn our strip lashes into individual, and we're going to make it look like we just got our lashes done. Instead of paying $200, you can spend $8 with the lashes, and I think I spent like $3 or $4 on the lash glue, which I will show a picture of right here. Once we cut those lashes down, you would get something that looks like this, basically making them look like individuals. You can cut it smaller if you want to. It just depends on what look you're going for and how you're trying to do your lashes. I'm gonna make $8 lash turn into $200 lash. We're gonna take the eyelash glue and we're gonna put it on top of the lash. I know this is different, but just stay with me, okay? So because we are doing a certain technique, I'm going to give you a couple tips. So tip number 1, you will need to place a mirror down below. And with this mirror down below, it will actually give you a great view to be able to apply the lash easier on your eyeline. Tip number 2, relocating your dominant arm above you makes it completely easier in order to apply the lash right on the line. As you can see the pink right there on your eyelid. And you're just going to put it right above that part. Don't put it on it. If you do, wipe it fast because you're going to make your eyes definitely burn. But you're creating a whole eyelash line right above that part. And just kind of play with it. Make sure it's tacked in. And voila. You have a start of an eyelash. I'm going to show you the technique one more time on this eye, and then I'm going to give you a full video on me doing a full eye. Okay, so I'm going to show you again with the technique. You're going to relocate your arm, and you're going to pull your eye back. You're going to actually place that eyelash right above that pink line. Remember, don't get it on there, just right above. And kind of just play with it just a little bit just to make sure it's intact. You would think this would irritate your eye, but I promise you it does not. One eye down, another one to go. So now I'm going to just show you a clip of me doing this other eye, kind of in the fastest way that I can, just so that way you can see how it looks. And just bear with me, all right? Now that we're on our last lash, y'all, this is where we depart. Hopefully my video was somewhat helpful to you in any type of way. If you have any other tips or any of the things that you could tell somebody else, please comment down below. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.
break my back, break my back, break my.
Yeah, let's talk. I just pulled up with some fools. I told mama tie all my shoes. Showing 2 million cash, now she woozing. Plenty of nights and no snooze. I had came up out the trenches, and I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work with my show, you my